Hello everyone, we are in Ostend in Belgium, in the forest park. In the previous videos, I collected mushrooms here. You can see what mushrooms grow in Belgium in the middle of winter by following the link which I will leave in the description of this video. So, in this park I found a necklace of lakes and a place where there are a lot of different waterfowl, especially coots. I came here especially for the birds. Here are lakes that connect with each other, as if forming a necklace. And here birds hide from people, but they can hide from us. But we won't bother them either. We will just watch. The lake is covered with thin ice in some places. It's a small inconvenience for birds, but this is nothing comparing to their enemies. So, who is one of the main enemies of these waterproof feathered water balls? Those are ordinary seagulls. I witnessed how a seagull grabbed a coot by its leg and pulled it. The bird screams, the coot screams and tries to take away its leg. The other coots seem to be trying to do something, but at the same time without success because they are afraid of swimming clothes. That time it rained cats and dogs and it was far away. I saw it, but unfortunately the phone couldn't record it. But after a few minutes, the seagull finally let go of the poor coot. So, seagulls not only steal food, spread garbage, but also attack other birds. They usually carry out such attacks in order to satisfy their hunger. For example, wants to take something from a coot, or if the seagull is big, it wants to kill a bird. At that moment, the coot had nothing to take, and the seagull was also quite huge, much bigger than the coot. So the answer is most likely known. So it's not for nothing the seagulls are called flying rats. Somebody eats something from ice and somebody from water. Many birds like to eat duckweed. If to compare coots and ducks, then unlike ducks, coots will almost never come very close to people, even if they live in parks. They swim like a torpedo. Feet like dinosaurs. They really look like a ball. And these where swamp chickens gather when it's cold. In appearance they are slightly different from coots with their feathers and red beaks. And well-known ducks. So thank you so much for watching attention, see you in the next videos and have a nice day.